friends, today I'm going to present you a project that not only offers you a luxurious residences, but also it offers you great social life and the best schools around the vicinity. So say about 5 to 10 minutes distance, you get the best schools, best hospitals, best social life and malls. So this project is L&T Elixir Reserve. Which is located in Powai, Saki Vihar Road. So the connectivity of this project is in such a way you have the metro station connectivity as well as the highway connectivity. So first thing we'll talk about the location. Here your Vikhroli is 10 minutes drive, 15 minutes to 18 minutes is BKC. Your existing Eastern Express Highway and Western Express Highway is at a distance of 15 minutes drive. Again coming back to the metro connectivity. Sakinaka metro station is 8 minutes distance. Saki Vihar upcoming metro station is 0 minutes distance. It's just next to your project. And 𝐏𝐸's metro station, which is of Andheri, 𝐏𝐸's metro station will also be very close by to this project. Hardly walking distance. So here you get the schools like AIM Night School, which is inside the project. There is also other schools like Podar School, Scottish, Bombay Scottish Schools. So these are all in the nearby vicinity of 2 to 3 minutes distance. The best hospital that you have nearby is Hiranandani Hospital, and there are 1 or 2 more hospitals like Seven Hills Hospital nearby vicinity. So total 10 towers, out of which 3 towers are already launched. There is L&T Elixir Reserve 2 that we are already selling, and Reserve 3 is the new launch that is going to come up in the picture in just few weeks. So if you are excited for the new layout, new inventories with the best views that you have missed but now don't want to miss it, then this is the very right opportunity for you. Call on the given number to talk to the managers about the same when the project is getting launched, what options will you be having, what kind of a view you will be getting, and what the layouts will be. So the new launch will be having 2, 3 and 4 BHK layouts with the lake view is what I can give you as a heads up. Rest of the details, of course, they will tell you over the call. So the existing towers are of 22 story and it has a proper parking facilities, and in this you have all the modern amenities like your indoor and outdoor amenities, which covers your jogging track, swimming pool, jacuzzi, lawn, everything. So whatever amenity that you can imagine, more than that is already covered for you guys. So talking about the layout, there are 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences with the payment plan. So in detail, we will just quickly go and see a 3 BHK sample apartment for which the carpet is 1196, and we'll have a idea about the layout, how are they featured. So without any wasting time, we'll just quickly go and see that, and rest of the layouts we'll put it in the description for you guys so you can check and understand the same. So this is a 3 BHK. Firstly, you have a foyer over here for which the size is 4.10 feet in width. So this is how you will be having a foyer as soon as you enter inside your luxurious apartment. So as we come inside the foyer, we'll be moving towards the kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen first. So this is the size of your kitchen, which is phenomenal. I loved the width of it. It's really very good. There's a proper space for everything that you want inside your kitchen space. Here is your basin area, and here comes the utility space. Utility space is again very good in size, truly impressive. So the kitchen size was 8.5 by 11.2. Now moving towards the palatial living space. It's an L-shaped living. So it's really spacious. Look at yourself. काफी ज़्यादा spacious है. यहाँ पे अगर हम ये size देखेंगे particularly, so the living size is 12.3 by 21.5 and this is 3.8 in width. So really nice space. There's a separate dining space. You have a 6-seater dining area over here, and on this side is your formal lounge area. So here comes your attached balcony along with your living space. So the entire apartment is really spacious. It has good volume to your living space. Now moving towards the bedroom area. But before that, let's check out the common bath and toilet area. So this is how exactly you will be getting, guys. Moving towards the common bedroom. The size of the common bedroom is 10.6 by 13. 1 3. So this is your common bedroom. Here comes this kind of a window. This one will be slided and this one is fixed. So this is the size of the common bedroom. Size is really good considering the common bedroom space. This is the second bedroom and this is the final bedroom of the apartment. So this is the passage which will lead to the second bedroom. Now again, the placing of the second bedroom, the structure layout is lovely. 12.8 by 12.10 का आपका ये second bedroom का layout है and it is gorgeous. यहाँ पे आपका windows, here you have the sitting area, your cozy corner, you have lot of space over here which is very important, and again on this side you have good amount of space to move around your entire bedroom space. Here is the dedicated area for your wardrobe that you can design floor to ceiling height. Here comes the attached bath and toilet. So overall layout of second bedroom is really good, very voluminous in every possible way. Even the bathroom size, if you have seen, it's really good. It is 8 by 4.5 approximately. Now moving towards the last and the final bedroom of the apartment. From here your master bedroom starts. So first thing first is the attached bathroom which we get leading towards the foyer space. And here is the gorgeous final bedroom, the master suite, that is 13 by 12.5. Very good in space. Here comes your master bed, your windows, good amount of space to move around the layout, and here is your 4-door floor to ceiling height wardrobe area. So the entire apartment is really spacious. The entire total carpet of this layout is 1196. So almost it is 1200 carpet is what you can consider. Very good in size, phenomenal layout, especially the bedrooms and the living is gorgeous. Of course, again the kitchen is spacious that we have seen together, right? So guys, if you are interested in this layout, then you have to call in the given number, talk to the sales representative directly and book your site visit. Also for the pricing and the payment plan, please call on the given number. You will get all the details over there. Go in the description link, download the brochure and the layout as well as the pricing. For more details, you can get in touch with the sales managers directly. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. We'll meet in the next video very soon. But before ending it, let me tell you, this was the 3-bed, but they also have 4-bed layouts. So if you are interested in knowing for a bigger layout, if you are looking for a 4-bed, then you have to speak to the manager and get the details for the same.